I'm gonna look to take an inversion for value up here. I want to see this act as an inversion for value up, and this act as an inversion for value up. That's if we get an entry though. 5 minute, 30 second. Tapping this little block here. So if I enter on this retracement, let's say to this for value up. Yeah, that's fine. 22 points. Only risking 7 points there. Okay, we get a little bit of a push up here.
Order
okay,
filled.
I'm in shorts there. Why am I seeing money here, bro? It should be ticks. And my stop is gonna be at like the 1 minute. And then the 1 minute we have this for value gas, so the top of it. Yeah, we have to see inversion, so I want to see reject. I got about a 10-point stop. Aiming for these relative lows down here. About a 20-point win. And this might just hold on push up, so guess what? I don't have a 100% win rate. So if I lose, I lose. I'm not gonna look to add or anything, just letting it run. Tap the inversion there. Let's see if we can get this off now. Alright, price started to pick up some pace here. Hey, why can't I see this line on the lower time frames? Where's 30 points at? I'm gonna try to aim for 30 points on this, bro. But that's kind of trading P&L, isn't it? Here. We also tap. Okay, there's a drop. If we take out these low, I'm just gonna get out, honestly. I'm not even gonna look to hold this. Come on, super close. Still holding. So now it's either gonna be a break-even trade or a nice little dub. Come on, take that low out. I wanna see it take out this low here now. No, I'm not gonna add anything. That's gonna mess up my field and stuff. Come on, let's see it. Let me see them new lows. Come on, NQ. So they did give us 20 points there. I literally hit my TP though. Come on, let's break them. Break those lows.
Order
Alright,
filled.
there we go. Nice.